revolution is knocking on Gotham's door. When this whole thing starts, make sure you're on the right side.
Mr. Wayne, thank you for opening your house to us. Together, we will change Gotham. Harvey Dent, Gotham's next mayor, and eager to know you.
Vicky Vale, not interested, and reporter for the Gotham Gazette. Carmine Falcone? Is the Dent campaign soliciting votes from Gotham's biggest crime family?
Your father knew which hands to shake.
Don't you know not to corner a wild animal? It's dangerous. Bye, Bat.
This is Selina.
How many?
I'd have to count the pieces. Falcone's calling card.
The chemicals. Where are they? We're all being played here, including you. It's... the Waynes. Well, the Waynes are the biggest gangsters in Gotham.
Précédemment, dans The Batman Telltale Series, les Wayne sont des corrompus. Salut à tous et bienvenue sur l'épisode 4. J'espère que vous avez passé un agréable moment dans l'épisode 3. Aujourd'hui, nous nous retrouvons pour la suite des événements. L'intro, elle était stylée, hein. Alors, comme vous le savez, on s'était quitté sur un Bruce Wayne qui en voulait à Alfred, car il était perdu.
You don't have to do this.
Only you now, Master Bruce.
I thought I might find you here. The news was upsetting for both of us.
But you should see this.
I know you come here for solitude, Bruce.
More allegations about his ties to the underworld.
This isn't going away.
It's all so public and messy.
People are throwing stones at my family, Alfred. I need to understand why.
It's my family, too. Don't forget that. I've been dreading this day for nearly 2 decades. I hoped it would never come.
Forget the papers. I want to hear it from you.
The truth is, they were billionaires, Bruce. You can't amass that kind of wealth without making certain moral compromises. It's just not possible. That kind of money taints you.
You kept their secrets for them.
I'm trying to help you understand.
Then try harder!
Donc les Wayne, c'est vraiment des vagabonds. Et bah dis donc.
Hill greased the wheels of politics. Falcone was the muscle. Thomas legitimized the whole enterprise with his name. Your father, Hamilton Hill, and Falcone, they were partners. Nothing happened in Gotham without them knowing.
Falcone, the papers, they were telling the truth. Everyone knew about this but me.
I know it's a lot to take in. I want you to know
Je comprends pas.
I had my suitcases ready. I couldn't stand to be around your father anymore. But then they were killed, and you were all alone.
Ah ouais!
Couldn't walk out the door.
Là, on fait face à un Batman vraiment un peu plus sombre. Hein.
Was out of love.
Leur père était corrompu. Non, son père était
I hope
corrompu.
you can forgive me.
Nous sommes une famille.
How could I hold this against you? You're all I've got, Alfred.
Thank you. I won't let you down again.
Là, je me sens bien, là, je vais pas vous mentir.
This is the first time I've been back here since that night. When the police called me to collect you, I thought they'd finally arrested your father. I couldn't believe a low-life thug like Joe Chill would have the audacity to rob and kill Thomas Wayne. He was simply too well known. Too big. Yet, there it was.
If my father was that deep in crime, he would have had enemies.
Well, it's a fair assumption. You don't think? You always said it was a simple mugging. In 20 years, you've never wavered from that story.
C'est
I can
intéressant.
recall every moment of that night in vivid detail.
On va
Maybe that's wrong.
enquêter sur le meurtre de notre
we
père.
block out things we don't want to face.
Maybe there was some detail I overlooked.
Bon, je pense pas que c'est en 20 ans je vais me rappeler de ce qui s'est passé, mais bon. Premièrement, laisse-moi ici. Allons sur les graffitis. Non, c'est pas vrai.
He just wanted to protect us.
He thought he was invincible. Sadly, he was mistaken.
I always wanted to be brave, just like him.
And you are.
Non.
He would be so proud to see that you took a different path.
Je trouve que c'est trop facile de dire que les Wayne étaient des corrompus en fait. Ça sent la théorie du complot.
I love that movie. Saw it countless times at that theater. How long did it play there?
Only when you wanted to see it, Bruce. Your mother arranged the special screenings personally.
I never knew that. She was always so good to me.
Non, je trouve que c'est trop facile. Moi, je suis un milliardaire. Peut-être dans ma jeunesse, j'aurais pu être un bandit. Mais j'ai un enfant et une femme. Il y a un passé que je voudrais pas y retourner en soi. Ouais, c'est ça, hein.
I want him standing here, right now.
And what would the Batman do with his own parents' killer? The possibilities are frightening.
I take him to jail, just like any other criminal.
But he's not just any criminal, is he? He was stabbed to death in prison. No one mourns for Joe Chill, Bruce.
Il est mort en prison pour qu'il puisse se taire.
Where exactly does the memory end?
With my father pleading, you don't have to do this. And the gunfires.
And after that? There are considerable gaps in that recollection.
Maybe. Do I really want to know?
Ouais, c'est compliqué. Là, je vois rien. Hein. C'est là qu'on voit que Bruce Wayne, il est pas qu'un simple humain en fait. Hein. Il est hyper intelligent. Ah ouais, J'avais raison de dire que ce Batman était sombre.
Bruce, are you all right?
It wasn't a mugging. They were assassinated. And Carmine Falcone knows why.
On va enfiler notre costume Batman pour pouvoir aller le tabasser. Et ça me dérange vraiment pas. Bon, dans le dernier épisode, j'étais un peu cruel quand même, je l'ai brutalisé. C'est pas ce que je voulais faire. Je pensais que Batman allait le balancer par la fenêtre. Donc je me suis dit, foutu pour foutu, autant le protéger en le blessant. Mais je me suis juste trompé. Par contre, je n'arrive toujours pas à trouver pourquoi je perds autant de qualité dans mon jeu.
But getting you in to see Falcone like this, I don't have to tell you how many rules we're breaking. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm always here for you, but this could land us both in hot water. I pulled all the strings I had with the lieutenant. This better not come back to bite us.
Et j'apprécie beaucoup.
I get that, Harv, okay? And it means a lot to me.
I know it does, Bruce. It doesn't make it any easier. The last time we brushed shoulders with Falcone, the press made us pay. At least tell me what this is about. Look, I'm all for blind support.
I'm not sure, but I think Falcone put a hit on my parents.
Wait, what? Bruce, that's terrible.
That's why I have
Je le fais assez confiance pour lui dire.
to know for sure.
Bruce, I appreciate you opening up to me, but just try and keep it cool in there. I don't want any headlines taking away from my debate with Hill.
Dent, Mr. Wayne, welcome to the GCPD.
Thank you, Lieutenant.
Now, ordinarily, we'd never let you in to see Falcone, but it must be nice to have a DA in your pocket, Mr. Wayne. Bend the rules whenever you need it.
I realize this is irregular, Lieutenant. I wouldn't ask if there was another way.
I'm vouching for him, Gordon. Trust me, he's one of the good guys.
A good guy who always gets what they want. Now, in my book, there's no such thing.
C'est des blagues de milliardaires.
Falcone. Yeah, that son of a bitch better not get off again.
He's not getting off the hook, Renee. Not this time.
Mr. Wayne, Sergeant Rene Montoya. I just wanted to say, some of us police support you, despite what the media is saying.
Thanks, Sergeant.
C'est un bel homme, Bruce Wayne, non? Je peux comprendre son sourire.
Falcone in the infirmary. Batman practically tore him in half.
Je l'ai pas fait exprès.
A lot in the past, but if you ask me, he's out of control.
Well, whoever he is behind the mask, Batman's a hero to me.
Yeah, and that's the problem. People are either scared out of their wits or they're trying to copy him.
Well, at least someone's getting tough on these guys.
J'aurais dû faire
I
l'inverse.
tell you, I'd rather have Falcone in here than out on the street.
J'aurais dû dire que c'est un monstre.
You weren't there, Harvey. You didn't see it. All right, Falcone's inside. Just say what you gotta say. We'll be out here.
Thank you very much. Il faut rester calme. Très calme. En vrai, il mérite pas, mais il mérite. Bonjour.
The hell? Bruce Wayne. You must have some clout. My own wife can't get in to see me. Good thing I'll be out of here in a week. It's like a mausoleum in here.
You look like you tangled with the wrong guy.
Goddamn Batman. I haven't took a beating this bad since before I got made.
J'ai trop joué à Arkham, désolé.
Your father used to sew me up. Better than these cop doctors. Yeah, that's right. Tommy and I were close. More than friends. More like cousins.
Until you sent Joe Chill to kill him.
On va vite dans le truc.
Ah, so that's what this is really about, eh? The pop digging up a 20-year-old killer.
2 killings, and they were never forgotten.
You and me, we're practically family. I thought you'd have figured that out by now. I tried to get through to you at Dent's party. But you showed me the door.
Convince me then. Tell me a story about our big, happy family.
There it is. Now I got you hooked. Your father,
chill.
Hill.
Et ne pas rentrer dans la confrontation en fait.
Still do.
On cherche juste des informations.
God damn this pain. Can't think through it.
J'ai envie d'appuyer sur sa blessure.
Be a good boy and help Uncle Carmine out, huh?
Non, 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 non. Je veux faire un choix, s'il vous plaît. Et je ne veux pas lui donner de la morphine. Non, désolé.
I am not here to take care of you. You deserve to suffer for what you've done.
Non, j'ai fait de la merde.
Of course. You'd never know the truth. How much of your old man is in you?
I am no murderer, Falcone. Unlike you.
J'ai fait de la merde, mais je lui ai pas donné de la morphine. C'est mieux que rien.
The dark. He loved you, you know. He did it all for you. He protected his own. But if you got on his bad side, your father was more ruthless than any of us. He had a switch, you know. Still, made us all rich, including you. Some people just have the mind for it. He was one of the most brilliant men I ever knew.
Until you hired an assassin to take him out.
C'est ces informations-là qui
You really
m'intéressent.
think I ordered the hit? Sure, I worked with Joe Chill from time to time. Put a button on someone, he'd take him out. But I never ordered that hit on your parents.
So who did?
You can't trust anyone in Gotham. Least of all those you call friend. Your parents learned that.
Wesh!
They're waiting for you in hell!
Wesh!
The bastard had to die!
Elle est empoisonnée.
Hands in the air! Stand down! Get a doctor! Secure this floor! No one gets in or out! Go! Go!
Je kiffe trop l'univers de Batman. Ce jeu me fait tomber amoureux de cet univers encore plus. J'ai aimé Arkham. J'ai aimé City. J'ai aimé les Arkham. J'ai pas joué à Asylum. J'ai aimé The Batman 2022. Mais celui-là, c'est une dinguerie. Comment c'est incroyablement beau.
Deep shit. I bought us some time, but not much. Word's gonna get out, sooner or later. Why would she do something like this? We had Gotham's biggest crime lord in our grasp.
I don't know. I hardly recognized her when she burst in. She was so different from the woman we met in the hall.
D'où le fait l'épisode Les enfants du carton de l'Arkham. Elle a été empoisonnée.
Doesn't make any sense. She'd never do anything to hurt the department.
Falcone's case meant justice for 1,000 unnamed victims. And now it is a PR disaster. How can I run against corruption when our own cops are redecorating the precinct with their prisoners' brains? Listen, we gotta get out in front of this. We gotta spin it as best we can. Issue a statement saying that we have the shooter in custody. Details are still coming in and that we're investigating. The usual.
Slow down, Harvey. We need the facts first.
The simple fact is she walked in and shot him.
Then we need the complex facts, like how and why.
Ah, j'aurais dû les dire de se calmer.
Lieutenant, Mr. District Attorney, Falcone's lawyers are here.
Oh, Christ. I can delay them for a little while, but we still need answers.
Elle a été empoisonnée, ça c'est clair.
Tell me if she says anything. I have to know why she did this.
Alfred, Falcone's been murdered.
Good God.
D'où Jésus.
I'm looking into it, but I'll need access to the back computer for anything I find.
Connection secured.
Alfred, I'm gonna try and confirm some suspicions of mine.
Ici au niveau de la bouche.
Her veins, still visible beneath her skin.
Ici au niveau du cou, comme ils nous l'ont dit. Elle a été piquée. Injectée,
Fresh
mais...
injection site. That doesn't look like blood.
Au niveau de la main, il n'y a pas
Alfred, I think I
grand-chose.
found the substance. Analyze and forward me the result.
Of course. I'll be in touch as soon as I have the results.
Where am I? Mr. Wayne? What's going on? Oh, but I got this awful feeling something terrible happened.
Easy, easy, Sergeant. Gordon and I are gonna get you through this.
Easy, easy.
Through this? Oh, God. Falcone, what have I done?
I believe you were drugged, Sergeant.
It would explain a lot. Listen, you have to believe me. I talked big about hurting thugs like Falcone, but I would never betray the lieutenant. Everything is so foggy. I remember a sharp pain.
There's an injection site on your neck.
Then I just felt light. Like I could do whatever I wanted. No guilt.
Donc c'est qu'elle voulait... Elle voulait tuer Falcone.
There was a voice in my ear insisting Falcone was gonna get off. And all I knew was that I had to stop that. I had to. No matter what.
Did you see a face? Could you ID a suspect?
I don't think so.
You must remember some detail. Try.
I remember a hand on my arm, guiding me like a parent with a child. The voice, it was saying something about
c'est Oz.
revolution.
Cobblepot said something similar.
I'm so sorry, Lieutenant. I've let you down.
We stalled Falcone's lawyers for now, but they'll be back. How is she? Did she tell you anything?
Yeah, hey, don't worry about that now.
I found evidence that she was drugged. A fresh injection site on her neck.
I was out of my mind, Lieutenant. Please believe me.
Hey, I do. Of course I do. Hey, get forensics in here. Now!
She remembers a voice saying something about revolution.
That's not much to go on.
Now, if you're bringing forensics in, let's get Bruce out.
Est-ce que je coffre ou je coffre pas?
I've got a lead on whoever's behind this.
Bruce! What are you doing here? My friends in the GCPD have been telling stories.
I'm sorry, Vicky. I don't have time.
Don't brush me off. Word is there were shots fired near where Falcone was being held. Know anything about that? I mean, you must have been back there when it happened.
Where did you get that?
So it's true?
No, I didn't say that.
Je savais qu'elle allait répondre ça.
I owe you for those files on Falcone. I got a lot of credit at the Gazette for that story. Whatever's going on here, you can't afford to be associated with it. Let me help you. I can keep your name out of whatever we print, but you need to give me something I can use. Who fired the shots? A cop? I can tell by the way you're brushing me off that something happened.
Bon, je lui dis la vérité, mais peut-être je me trompe.
Renee Montoya.
Wait, Sergeant Montoya?
You didn't get this from me.
Je me suis mis dans la merde. Et j'ai poucave. Est-ce que je vais regretter? Forte probabilité. Une Batmobile avec une Ferrari. Ah, c'est hier.
Either Cobblepot drugged Montoya himself or someone else is using his revolutionary rhetoric. Either way, I need to find him. Let's put our drones in the air and start a search. I'll run a trace on his cell. In the meantime, we have to find out what we can do about this drug.
The computer's been analyzing the chemicals from Montoya's bloodstream.
Throw that up on the monitor. The residue I scanned on Montoya is similar to the nerve agent I found at the docks. Let's see what we got.
It's ironic that Falcone died at the hands of someone drugged with his chemicals. Who'd have guessed that's how he'd meet his maker? Prone in his sickbed, surrounded by police who were ordered to protect him.
Murder at the hands of Montoya. That's not justice.
Whoever did this was judge, jury, and executioner. No one should act as all three. I hope he told you something before he was killed. What did you learn from him?
He backed up what you told me. My father ran the city, with two of the worst men in it.
If they were working together, it's strange Falcone had him killed.
It wasn't Falcone who called the hit.
Yes, well, I suppose that makes sense. Your father, Hill, and Falcone would have balanced each other out.
Computers pinpointed reference points on the two compounds.
Alors, quel est le premier composé?
The men at the docks were doused with the base chemicals. The reaction was messy. They were out of control.
Ok, ça on le sait déjà. Et deuxième composé.
This drug is like a weapon. It only took a small injection to strip Montoya of her moral filters and make her act on her base impulses. Both compounds seem stable, but they're quick to fall apart. Whoever processed it knew what they were doing.
What could the creators of such a drug possibly have in mind? Fighting your wars is one thing, but drugging others to fight them for you?
Considering the amount they stole from Falcone, they could build a small army of remorseless assassins.
The thought is chilling. Your drones are in position to triangulate Cobblepot's location.
Il a beaucoup de drones dans la ville, hein, quand même, cet homme. Je fais au pif, hein, je vais pas vous mentir. J'ai vraiment fait au pif, les gars.
Find her now! Send a strong message.
Ok, intéressant. Il y a un truc ici, là? Ah, ici.
Bring me her head!
On n'entend pas par contre ces griffes, hein. Ok. Dernière zone. Il n'y a rien ici. Eh, je vous promets, je fais pas exprès. Je fais pas exprès de trouver. Ok. Ils viennent d'ici en fait. Ouais, c'était lui. C'est logique.
Skyline Club. Jesus, didn't even wait for Falcone's body to get cold, did you, Oz?
Going to speak with him, Bruce?
Bruce Wayne already tried talking with Cobblepot. It's time he met the Batman.
Décidément, j'ai vraiment un timing pour faire des épisodes de 38 minutes ou de 40 minutes.
Come on, I know there's gonna be more around here. The man probably had millions in his sock drawer alone. If Falcone finds out I helped you, he'll kill me. My boss won't be doing much of anything. Ever again.
Je crois pas qu'on va faire une descente encore. Parce que je suis un peu fatigué, je vais pas vous mentir. Hein.
You lot, come check out this office. Where is it? I don't know! Please, names, paper! You can help me.
C'était beau.
Let him go.
Batman! It's about time! You kill a crime boss, you'd expect a word of thanks from Gotham's #1 vigilante. Oh, don't worry, I'll pass your gratitude on to those who made it happen. They'll be pleased to know you think so highly
On
of
va
their
pas
work.
gâcher notre coup d'avance.
You hear that, Roland? That sounded like an order.
I'll crush him.
Now, have a little respect for the Bat. Think he underestimates you. Is this about Falcone? We all saw how you felt about Falcone. Impaling a man on live TV. If you were truly the defender of this city, you'd have finished the job yourself. Admit it, Falcone deserved to die. Vermin like Falcone, they deserve to be stomped out. Believe me, I know.
You don't decide who lives and who dies. That's not justice.
But it's bloody well satisfying, isn't it? As a show of good faith, I'm gonna let this one go. How's about we talk this through? We helped you with Falcone. Now, if we could just cut out the rest of the rot, like Wayne and Hill, ordinary folks might be able to breathe.
What is it about this place that attracts criminal scum like you?
Je sais pas.
What does Bruce Wayne have to do with this?
Pretty Boy's got himself a fat bank account, thanks to his parents. Only problem is, they took that money from people that couldn't fight back. Here's the thing, I actually admire you, Batman. We both want the same kinds of things. Me and my people, we've got big plans for Gotham.
They found Catwoman. What do you want with her?
We had a deal, she didn't make good on it. So sorry this didn't work out, mate. I'd stay to watch, I would, but I still got a Catwoman problem to deal with. Oh, what's her name again?
Selina.
Yes! Oh, beautiful name.
Ah merde, je me suis trompé. Ah. Ils sont pas pris en compte que j'avais changé. Oh voilà, c'est ce que je me disais. Oh. Je vais pas vous mentir, j'ai appuyé un peu au hasard. Hein. Par contre, Batman il meurt très vite hein, s'il rate un truc. C'est de la triche. J'ai appuyé au hasard, bande de tricheurs. Là, j'ai bugué. D'ailleurs, c'est bizarre. Il peut planer, mais il n'utilise pas son planage. C'est vrai que c'était pas très logique de l'utiliser à cet instant T.
Alfred, track down Selina Kyle.
I'll find her right away.
Je pense qu'on va se laisser ici, les gars. Et on va se voir pour la suite des événements. Parce que je peux pas enchaîner tous les Batman, tous les épisodes, sinon ça va faire un peu trop long. Du coup, on se voit pour la suite. Donc, peace!